Hey everyone, so we're working on our cut and paste activity today. If you don't have this page, then you can do the other page, which is a think page for you guys. So for the cut and paste activity, it says match small pictures to large pictures. So we have our pictures here, and we'll go over each one and match them up. So the first picture is a garden. A garden is a place where people grow plants. We have a garden at our school. You may have a garden near your house, maybe right outside your house, in your backyard, or in the front of your house. You have a little garden where you put plants. I'm sure you guys have definitely seen gardens because we help grow plants at our school. So which one is the same as garden? This is garden. Our next one right here is home. So a home is another vocabulary word. Home is where we live. Which one is the same as home? So home looks different for different people. It's just the place that you live in. This word is ripe. So if we see this banana, it's green, that means it's not ready to eat yet. It might not taste as good. And then once it turns ripe over here, it might be sweeter and better to eat. Which icon is the same for ripe? Ripe. Our next word is plant. So we see the leaves coming up. We see the roots at the bottom. It's growing up. It's a plant that someone maybe have started when it was a seed and it grew to a plant. Which one is plant? We have plant. Our next word is pick. So you see this person is picking off the cherries or the fruits off this tree. Which one is pick? Pick. So when people want to eat the fruits off the trees, they have to pick them off. Our next word is spring. So spring is the season that we are currently in. It's before the summer and it's after winter. And which one is spring? We have spring. Next we have seeds. So seeds are what we planted in the classroom. We have like these tiny little seeds. You put them in soil, add water, and then some sunlight, and they can grow. Which one is seed? Seed. And then our last word is grow. Grow. So grow is one of our vocabulary words. It's when you get bigger in size. You start out as a seed and you see that it's growing bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's our last one, grow, sorry. So we have garden, home, ripe, plant, pick, spring, seed, and grow. Definitely, if you want to, look for these words in your AAC just to practice.